Behind every beautiful home, there's an equally beautiful story. Hi everyone, my name is Boon Ki. Building a beautiful home goes well beyond design and a budget. There are amazing people and brands that work to piece together each building block of a new home. They work tirelessly to resolve the numerous problems new homeowners may face before they can call their new house a home. Fortunately, for every challenge there is when it comes to building a new home, a solution is almost always ready. Here at the Beautiful Homes platform, we empower our readers by providing them information necessary in building their new homes and connections to experienced service providers to assist them in their home building journey. We wish to give our readers a sense of assurance that their home transformation journey can be a beautiful one. Beautiful homes, your beautiful life start here.